Well, hello. Thanks for stopping by Accessorize Your Life. Come on in. I want to invite you to my yin yang little room here where I film. Yes, if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, I welcome you to Accessorize Your Life. Please stick around, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Well, like I said, you're in my little yin yang room where I have decluttered and moved things around and kind of tidied it up. So you're going to see a quick view of the room. I'm going to spin you around and show it to you. And just to let you know, I've been watching Leanna Dalton when she most recently did her 12 Days of Christmas. And she's been recapping or reviewing the month so far. And this month, the month of February, is the month of cleaning and decluttering. Either your home, your mind, your car, whatever. So I've been decluttering my house, and I had to tell her I had forgotten about her video on that. It's just like she sent me a message subliminally. So here we are at the cube where I have an overflow of makeup. So I've tidied it up, and on top I just rearranged some little decor and put my makeup fridge. This month I did do another wreath, and it's a Valentine's wreath, and I'm enjoying the process. It's very methodical and very relaxing at the same time. I get to hash over stuff in my mind while I'm busy with my hands. So you'll just see what I've done in each area, but I want you to take note of the walls. But first, let me tell you, I have my foundations in this little fridge because I found out from Gigi Loves Beauty too, there was a thread and someone suggested you do this to make your foundations last. So I'm doing it. But I wanted to tell you, you may take note of my walls. You see the little stain? Yeah, these walls have been painted over 15 to 20 years ago, and I did them myself, spackling. So you'll notice stains and nail holes from when I put things up and taken things down. So this little cart I picked up, and it's again catching things that I had no other space for. I took the doors down off the closet so that I could get into these bins. Here you'll find extra blouses, extra pillows for my slipper chair. And this one has cosmetic bags and jewelry. And the last one has extra camera things. And up here is kind of a storage box from, brands. I like the brands, so I keep the boxes and I use them as storage. And I have several of them, and I've kind of made them into the decor / storage. This one is holding my extra makeup brushes. Some I started off with, like Elf and whatever else. And this Lancome gift set box is empty right now. This box I got from the House of Siage, and in it I have, oh yes, I have my gel lamp and gel fingernail polishes and all the little gadgets I need to do my nails with there. And here I have an extra wall plug-in. This one is from Bath and Body Works, and this scent smells just like tobacco to me, so I can't keep it on too long. In this wicker basket I have some extra candles for this room, some wax melts and incense. And here's a Lancome Genifique box. And there's still some product in there. Extra brushes, candles, makeup, beauty sponges, cups, mugs. And there's more boxes, books, perfume. Things that I kind of put together in a way that was just pleasing to look at. Tea tin filled with tea bags I haven't even opened and started to use. Just things I like looking at, like having around me, that makes me happy. Now I picked up extra storage because eventually I want to get more Alex drawers, but I don't know which configuration I want. So here I am trying out holding extra writing things, makeup, wipes, and more plug-ins and masks. And at the bottom I have extra skincare and skin appliances. And here's an Alex drawer that I have. It's the 5 drawer. And here is a little cart I recently picked up that I'm using to store makeup in. And there's the Alex drawer. We won't go into those today. And that little gold cart is holding, it's like a catch-all too, from Juvia's Place things that I got, some things I have in recently, more makeup brushes, and some extra things I have there. It's perfect, it's small, and it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's cute. Here's where I sit to do my makeup. I love a swiveling chair. It goes up and down so it's comfortable. And here's my plant that needs more love. The makeup for the month of February. You saw that video. If you didn't, I'll link it up above and you can go check it out up in the iCards. Things I like to have at the ready just to look at. My glasses, a notepad and pen, and some skincare. A wall hanging that I like. And it also helps with the sound in the room. And that's a picture of my mom behind my lights and everything. And I got that from a patient, stained glass. And here you'll find my perfumes, more of them. As you can see, I like Jo Malone. And here's where I sit to edit my videos. And that's a painting I did one year for my birthday. It was like a paint and sip class. Yeah, that came out pretty nice. I like that painting. And down below on this shelf, I really want to change this shelf out, maybe something with doors, but art and craft things, photo books and printing material. And above my slipper chair, these are my props for the videos I do, extra glasses, mask, hair pieces, sunshades that I wear out, masks that I wear out, caps, things like that. And here's my slipper chair. This is where I sit and kind of relax, put my feet up, and the stool is where I sit to edit. And guys, this mirror was something my mom had at her vanity. It's probably from the 30s. And I just brought it up because eventually I want to bring the vanity up too. But I just brought the mirror up because I don't want it to go bad as in the way of getting scratched. And here are more clothes and wigs and hats, shirts that I'll put on to do videos, wigs that I'll use for videos, and a robe I'll use when I'm putting on makeup. And we're back to the door. So yeah. This is what I accomplished with this room. I think I did last showing I did was in the fall of last year. So this is an overview now. It's a small room. It's the smallest room in our home. But I just took it over and made it a studio for myself. And it's the Yin and Yang studio because it's a mixed bag of things. A mixed bag of things that work together that I like having, and then I just kind of collected. This piece here was something someone put out on the curb, and so the rest of the things I purchased, but no real thought process behind them. I just purchased them because I needed something. So I hope you enjoyed visiting me and seeing what I did in this room as of late. It's always evolving because my taste evolves and I like change. I do want to add some more pictures and eventually get around to painting, but that'll be a process because I'm not up to painting like I used to. But you know, I'm enjoying just what I have. So here's another view of this area. And here where I sit, I have some throat lozenges, and in here I have some mints. Just a little close up. My plant that I need to take better care of. February's Shop My Stash tray. And my monitor. How relaxing is that? And here at my desk, I'm burning the strawberry cream candle. And this little figurine, I love her. Just take a look at her shoes. Aren't they the cutest? Pink little sneakers. No detail left out. So cute. I love looking at her. She makes me happy. From her hair to her shoes, her smile, and a few little things I've been using as of late. I love this room spray, lavender, lip oils, little perfume. All on a cake plate. Hand lotion, brush cleaner, and anti-bac for the hands. My spec case and my mug, Q-tips, and a rotating skincare carousel. That's kind of redundant, isn't it? The carousel is spinning. But anyway, it's my notepad, and we'll go into the drawer. This side I have eyelashes, makeup wipes, and those lashes are in that container. Here I have some tools, and here I have a little secretary area. And in this drawer, I have some hair care things I need before I do a video, or before I go out to work, dental floss, little pain reliever, first aid area, and extra brushes. These brushes generally really small or have two handles, so I store them here. Lens cleaner, sharpeners, and more hair care products. Thanks for visiting. Let me know what areas of your home you have cleaned and decluttered. See you next time.